When practicing coughing and sneezing, one tendency that we all have is to sneeze and kind of crush our canister. So our canister, again, you could think of that as the diaphragm and the pelvic floor, and those muscles need to work well together. So when we have an episode of sneezing, coughing, jumping, exercise, movement, anything really that increases pressure in our abdominal system, we need those muscles to be relatively stacked, right? So if I turn, we want to think about our ribs being stacked over our hips. So again, you'll have the tendency to leak more when we cough in this manner, sneeze when we kind of crunch, right? When we do that movement, we tend to put a lot of pressure down on our pelvic floor. So instead, what you can do is practice by sticking the hips out a little bit, right? So getting into a little bit of an anterior pelvic tilt. So tilting a little bit and then elongating your trunk, right? So practicing a sneeze like this versus allowing that movement, that crunching movement. So again, practice with a cough, with a sneeze. The more that you practice when you actually don't have to cough and sneeze, the easier it's going to be to perform when you actually do have to cough or sneeze. And then it just becomes automatic that you're going to get into that elongated position.